Hello everyone, welcome back to the series and my name is Yesha. Do you remember the gap filling activity that we used to do in our schools and colleges related to a topic? Yes, today we are going to do the same question task which is called as IELTS listening sentence completion task. So let's keep the school activity in our mind and learn the strategies. What is the definition of sentence completion? This is a general gap filling activity related to a topic. This is expected in any section and the difficulty level rises according to the section it is presented in. Let's look into the different sections of this particular question task. Coming to questions 21 to 25, which states that this is in section 3. The instruction says complete the sentence below and the word limit is no more than 3 words and or a number. That means you can write 1 word, 2 words or 3 words and you can only limit it to a number. There are 5 questions from 21 to 25. There are blanks and you have to be very careful with the words before and after the blanks. Let's look into the strategies to solve sentence completion task. The essential tips are: number 1, read the instructions carefully to understand the word limit. Number 2, skim read the questions and underline the words before and after the blanks. Number 3, pay attention on the keywords. Number 4, focus on the keywords as these words would be paraphrased. Number 5, predict the parts of speech in each blank according to the sentence. Number 6, note that answers follow the chronological order. And finally, number 7, check the spellings twice and write according to the word limit. Thank you for watching it till here. If you want to learn more tips and strategies for IELTS, then check out the description below and book a free demo class today. Now it is the time that we practice this question task. You will listen to an audio and listening to the audio you also have to make sure that you underline the keywords before and after the blanks. Try to predict the answer. For example, question number 23 will actually contain a time period because it says ago in Europe. Ago actually describes about time period, so you would definitely write either the year or the number of years. So in this manner, understand the questions and the words and try to answer the questions in the comment section below.
You will now hear a radio talk on agricultural regulations.
First, you have some time to look at questions 21 to 25. Now listen carefully and answer questions 21 to 25.
Could there be clearer proof of the arrogance and indifference of those who are supposed to keep our food safe than the muzzling of John Verrill? Agriculture is a business, true, and businesses have to make money. But this shows how ministers and officials put the profits of the agriculture business before the well-being of the British people. Mr. Verrill, a pharmaceutical chemist, was appointed to represent consumers on one of the many committees that advise the government on food safety. When he tried to do his job, though, and wanted to warn ministers of a danger to children's health, he was refused permission to do so. The danger comes from hormones given to cattle in the USA and some other countries to make them grow faster. They speed up the animal's development to maturity, thus making meat production more profitable. There have, however, long been fears that the hormones have horrendous effects on the people who eat them, causing diseases as serious as cancer. Once these hormones were used on British cattle too, but over 20 years ago they were banned in Europe for being too dangerous. Indeed, so concerned is the European Union that it banned imports of hormone-fed beef years ago, much to the fury of the US government, which wants to sell it all over the world. Several years ago, the USA and Canada asked the World Trade Organization to declare the ban illegal and to punish Europe for failing to lift it. The WTO, with its long record of refusing to let environmental or safety concerns interfere with trade, agreed, imposing fines of more than $120 million a year on the EU for its refusal to back down. The British government now backs the Americans, claiming that there is no proof that hormone-fed beef does any harm. This is where Mr. Verrill comes in. He is very angry with the government, especially as their claim comes out just after a Danish study shows that growth hormones are 200 times more dangerous than was previously thought. Worried by these findings, Mr. Verrill spoke to government representatives, who did nothing.
Let's discuss the answers now. According to the word limit, you can write one word, two words or three words, or you can make a combination of words and a number. Question number 21 has the answer profits. Put the profits of the agriculture business first. Question number 22 clearly says grow faster, thus making meat production more profitable. Question number 23, as I explained, contains a time period. Hence, the answer is 200 years ago in Europe. 24 talked about illegal declaration, or let's say the answer is illegal. The USA and Canada asked the WTO to declare the ban illegal. 25 talks about over 200 times more dangerous than was previously thought. They actually describe the number of times the hormones are thought to be dangerous. So here the answer is 200 times. Thank you for writing your answers in the comment section below, and today's lesson must have given you the clear idea about the sentence completion task of listening module. If you want to stay with us for the rest of the lessons of listening module or other modules of IELTS, do not forget to like, share and subscribe IELTS Material YouTube channel, where you can learn IELTS for free. So do follow this channel and stay updated. Bye-bye.